Greetings, fellow traders. Bob here. It's time for the daily market wrap for Tuesday, April the 6th, 2021. I hope everybody had a great trading day today. This is brought to you by Positive Trends Research, and everything we're going to talk about is for educational purposes only and not investment advice. So please take a moment to review this disclaimer. Awesome. Good. All right, let's check and see where we left off the market here today. So SPX, quite a day today again. Just amazing chop, right? Minus $3 right here. Weekly chart still looking pretty good after yesterday's move, but today, just like I said, down about 3 points right here. So what's going on with this wave? Well, it definitely feels like the impulsive wave is done, right? It was kind of this grindy move up, and now what we're seeing is kind of this choppy type stuff right here. So I think we're probably in wave 4, right? So let's see how it goes here. Again, this could be A, B, and we might see a little wave C down here, and then we keep going up right here. But this gap up the other day definitely looks like that wave 3 situation. Let's take a look at the SPY here and see how it's looking here volume-wise from today. Low volume today, just like choppy action here going into today. S&P futures again. We tagged fresh all-time highs, right? So you can't ignore that, right? So some pretty cool stuff right there, but also some kind of choppy, grindy action here today too. Tagged the geometric line a bunch of times here, bounced off of it here today, right? And then finally kind of sliced through it here at the end of the day before bouncing off of yesterday's value area low. If we take a look at the MES, let's see. MES again bounced off the 15-hour below here into the end of the day. The Qs. We'll check out the geometric lines right here. The Qs again back into its 15-hour range. The IWM, interesting, right? So we had this nice falling wedge. We talked about this in the bubble report this morning. Nice push up here, but ended up closing below the 15-hour below. Not so good there for the IWM. XLF, right? So this is an important one too. Just kind of look at that bounce around the channel here today. We talked about it being a potential flag, but it's like boom off the channel, up at the bottom of the channel, and then closing its 15-hour range. Apple had some nice little pop here this morning, and then just kind of ended up being a choppy day today. So it could be a pause day here for Apple. Let's keep an eye on it. Still below the 50-day moving average. Kind of testing the upward trend line area up here. So we'll see how that goes. Of course, let's take a look at Tesla. So Tesla again, just kind of this blah pause day today, but it did give some responsive trades off of levels, right? That kind of got things moving here back and forth, which is kind of cool. So some interesting stuff there on Tesla. But other than that, just kind of a doji day here, still stuck in the trend box. Let me go ahead and stretch this out at least to the end of the week and see where we're at then, and then go from there. And let's check out, see what else we have on the radar going into tomorrow. So let's take a look at WDC. Semiconductor name, right? So memory type stuff. Again, fresh highs on this one. Nice engulfing candle on it. Volume would have been nice to see it, but keep it on the radar going into tomorrow. See if we can break over the highs and still get going. RKT. So RKT, again, this is such a tough name to trade, guys, but just keep it on the radar. It did have an outside day today. See if it pushes over today's highs and gets going on RKT. Home Depot, is it finally done with its run? Incredible run here on Home Depot. A little bit of a sneaky upper shadow here today, kind of a homing pigeon, a bearish homing pigeon type pattern. So let's see how that goes today. If it breaks up below these lows, if it wants to at least pull back there to fill that gap. So keep an eye on Home Depot going in tomorrow. A couple other names that are kind of bearish going in today. Tilray, just a increased volume close below the ADMA. So see if that gets any downside follow through. But it wasn't just Tilray, it was CGC as well. Increased volume here below the ADMA too, so to kind of close towards its lows. So keep an eye on CGC and Tilray to see if they're ready to get going. Bullish radar Roku, incredible move today, guys. Double pause day here, double red days, but a nice move up here. Again, big move. We pointed this one out at the open. Members traded this well at the open and also throughout the day. We also had some nice call activity on that in our option flow channel on the Discord. And Baba, guys, we put this in the bubble report this morning for an actionable name, and it really was. We pointed it out on the live stream this morning and really just kind of got going here. We got volume over our key levels this morning and hit our target of 229 and kept going, right? Ended up hitting almost it hit 232 or pretty much high of the day. Yeah, 232 to the tick, which is pretty impressive. So nice move on Baba there too. Got back over the ADMA with increased volume today. So good stuff there on Baba. Other than that, guys, that's all for today. We'll see you guys on the YouTube live stream later tonight. And until then, stay healthy out there. Remember your risk first and stay safe so you can stay in the game.